How do I look? Okay. Wait until I'm done. Let me get dressed. I'm late anyway.
We are complete.
Kunini ngihleli nomdura ningamtsheli kodwa. Ngihleli nje nama.
All right.
Now my friend is here.
Yeah. South Africa in the building. Thank you, Eswatini, for having us. We're excited. Look at us. Yeah, because we are used to doing small shows like we'll fill up the dome, but now we are here. Imagine life-changing experiences. You look so slay la malang.
Yes.
Hey!
Ngeza ngobisi.
Shesha kesa. Masi Eswatini baby ngempela.
Loving the haircut.
Qavale outfit ntwana. Qavale outfit ntwana. Qavale.
Oh, not me.
Qavale outfit. Do they know how much this is? Oh, girl, for even a brush. Qavale liqhebesha. Oh, I know you ubulele girl. Qav. Oh, shay turn around. Woo! Awubangenile girl. Lena ngifuna eventually singene ngayo Hollywood.
Yeah.
Red carpet.
Yeah.
Oscars.
Yes.
There.
Yes.
Shy job mina.
Wait.
But you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Really beautiful. Siyabangena. Siyabangena.
Backstage moments. Now ready. At least Stop Nonsense has had a taste of the crowd. Yabangena mfana wami.
Siyabangena. Right. Buka sanga kagezi na kahle sigeze nje 5 minutes mara buka sinjani. Kanganani? Yeah, maybe now I'm using volume.
Is
right.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Look, we're still at Happy Bed where Eswatini Must Love is taking place. And right now, I'm honored to have right next to me Thenjiwe. Obviously, you've seen her on TV, you've seen her on other channels that I won't mention. But yeah, she's amongst the people behind Meet the Accomplice. Thenjiwe, how are you doing?
Hi, I am good. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, again, to be here again in Eswatini, right?
Yep, I always love being here. As soon as I enter the board, I feel like I'm home. The real kingdom, not the fake kingdoms of Hollywood like Wakanda. Kingdom of Eswatini.
Yeah.
A real kingdom.
A real kingdom, and it's evident just from the way you are dressed up. What inspired this look?
Originality and being authentic and being part of the culture, which is a Nguni culture, because Swati is part of Ngunis and I am Zulu.
Yeah.
And I just love the outfits. I love, you can come with your designer clothes, but for me, this is it.
Yeah.
I'm African, I love it.
And yeah. Okay, let's talk about tonight. Obviously, we're here to witness Eswatini Must Love by Dura. What's your take on the state of comedy in Eswatini?
It's growing. It's going the right direction. I'm very happy with where it's at. I've been coming here since 2016, and I see a lot of improvement, not just in comics, also in the audience.
Yeah.
Grown-ups, like people who look like they are pastors.
Yeah.
They are here, they are coming to attend shows and they are enjoying it because it shows growth and it shows that as comedians we are addressing issues that affect everyone and everybody wants to laugh because after all, laughter is the best medicine, except when you have diarrhea.
Yeah, maybe just out of what you're talking about, let's touch on Dura a little bit. You've worked with him on other productions besides just Eswatini Must Love. How is it working with a guy like Dura?
Oh, he's a very good guy to work with, very talented. He's a lovely guy, hardworking. I just need to give him more jobs so that he can afford to buy food because he's not gained any weight since I met him. So I think people from Eswatini, please support him. Make sure he always has a job so he can afford food. Because this is not nice. It's not nice to look at your friend as if you are looking at a toothpick.
But to his support, most of our comedians are skilled. As Dr. Shakes, his good friend. He looks exactly like him in terms of like body size. But anyway, let's talk about Meet the Cumberlands. Moving into season 2, if that's on the pipelines. There's a rumor on the street that you are going to shoot in Eswatini as well. How far are you with that?
We want to come and shoot Eswatini. We are in pre-production because I feel like Eswatini is not being showcased. It's such a beautiful country, and the Department of Tourism here is missing out. But when it comes to Meet the Cumberlands, they want season 2, people want season 2, but us as a production company, we thought the days we live in, guys. Why limit yourself to television? We want to do it as a web series, and we're going to put it on YouTube so that even people who are out of Africa can see it. And if we shoot some of our scenes here in Eswatini, someone in Hollywood will see Eswatini, rather than just us limiting our talent only to what's within us. Because for me personally, social media has really worked. Because I've been very fortunate to be able to travel the world doing comedy, and it's always people who saw me on social media. It's never someone who says, I watched this channel and I'd like you to come to Ghana. They don't watch that. So social media. If I hear of another artist who says they do not have a job when we have social media, when they have a phone, I'm going to be very upset.
Guys, there you have it. That was Thenjiwe. She's raising a very, very important point to our global citizens now. We look at the world as like a small town. We're all together. We're all connected through social media. Thenjiwe, thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you so much. And I've still got to go to perform, so I hope people are going to laugh at my jokes.
Oh yeah? I'm going to be a part of the audience.
If they don't laugh, it's xenophobia.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Thenjiwe.
One last one.
Hello. You've performed, right?
No.
Oh, you're not yet?
Yeah.
Guys, who does he look like? Does he not look like Kevin Hart? So, Eswatini, no Kevin Hart. This is not Kevin Hart, it's Kevin Hart. I know they look alike.
Kevin Hart.
But you do look like Kevin Hart, you know that?
Problem.
A cuter version of him.
Yeah, a cuter
Not
version.
Kevin Hart or Kezil.
Kevin Hart, okay.
Well, thank you. Hello guys. This is my sponsor. Noltando decided, Thenjiwe, you are too ugly for Swazi audience. I'm sending you a makeup artist. They have to change that South African face of yours. So I got a face bit.
And she's beautiful.
Thank you so much. You are so sweet.
You're so beautiful.
You are too nice. Next time I'm coming to you. Not Bomdura. I've been doing this thing wrong. I've been doing this thing wrong.
Yeah, man. Now move like Meluteku, you understand? Yes. You heard her?
Exactly. How are you? How's your career going? Uteni, stop nonsense. What did you say?
No, I was talking about this guy.
Where? Uteni. Ufana nobani?
Kevin Hart.
Umenjani?
When Kevin Hart fails in life and becomes broke, uzoba. Say it with your chest. Say it. Say it with your chest.
Uyabona ukuthi Kevin Hart. Kodwa uyabona ukuthi unayibonge inethakazelo.
No, like my chest can't say anything. I'm trying to say it with my chest. Zala hlukana ne-English. Kevin Hart there.
Kevin Hart onedlozi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Vusela Eswatini. Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.